This band's got a broken timing belt, so some of the teeth have come off. So what I found is I've removed the camshaft, and the camshaft was faulty and the rockers were starting to crack. So I've gone that far, and then I checked through the glow plugs. This came out of the diesel compression tester. I've put threads on the end because I didn't have anything the right size, and they allowed me to do this test because that's going to go into the glow plug hole. It's the same size as that thread. And then just using the petrol engine leak down tester. This gauge was faulty, so I just changed them about, otherwise it would be different. So I got it at 60 psi at the moment, and when I plug it in here, we'll see how much it drops. Right. There's the gauge upside down. We'll get a lever in here and push down on a valve very slightly and show you what would happen. Right, I'll go into that valve at the top of the valve right there. Like that. I'll try and press slightly. See that move? And back up again. And I'll let it go again. Basically, if the valves were bent, they wouldn't be holding pressure like that. So it saves me taking the cylinder head off just to check them, and I can move on with something else. I'll show you the camshaft. Right, so there's the camshaft. If I look down the side, this bit and this bit, I look down, it's a slight V shape going down slightly. Okay, that's cylinder 1. I'll go to the next one. Cylinder 2. You see it doesn't bend like a V. If anything, it bends the other way. Slightly down. This is only by eye, but it's that bad you can see it by eye. So I'm going to have to change this because these cam lobes are separate to the shaft. They're not keyed. On this, it's like the shaft is cooled down and these will be heated to expand them. It's thrown together and it's an interference fit. So that's what I've found, and also the rockers have got slight cracks in them, so I'm going to change them as well. So if we look across there, I don't know if you can see it, it's actually cracked though in that bit. There's a bit of a shot of a crack, so I'd need to change those as well. Here's a new camshaft. We look at the one closest to us, between the inlet and the exhaust. See what I mean about it? It's a very slight V shape there. And you look down it, like between here and there, it's a slight V. Whereas the other ones were bent the wrong way. And they're all the same. This is cylinder 1 on this side, not like I said before. Cylinder 4 at the far side. Cylinder 1 near the flywheel on this engine. But it's still the same, they were all bent the wrong way from the belt breaking. So in this case, it's going back to like an old school way and just using a leak down tester. Anyway, I hope it was helpful to somebody. If your belt breaks, it might be that you don't need to take the head off and change the valves. You might just need a camshaft and the rockers. Thanks for watching.